Hey friends, if you wish to enable or disable hardware acceleration in Microsoft Edge, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So here's what you can do. Open Microsoft Edge, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select settings, and now you can search for the word acceleration. Okay, and then there's a switch called use graphic acceleration when available. If you uncheck it, it's disabled and you will have to restart the browser for it to come into effect. If you enable it, then it is enabled. Okay, so this is how you can do it. Other than that, you can simply go to the system tab. If you find it here, system and performance, you'll find the switch here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.